Hello, all. We have been talking about the environment where we wanted to write those algorithms for machine learning, right? And we said Jupyter Notebook is something we are going to use. So if you open Jupyter.org, you see the following options. So the first thing is Jupyter Lab. Jupyter Lab is basically a web-based development environment. Um, we mostly use Jupyter Notebook, which is basically again a web application. But the advantage of this is you can share your notebooks, whatever the code that you write with others over GitHub or like you can download and share as well. And this is what we predominantly use for coding in machine learning. And then basically if we want to create dashboards and all, we are going to install Voila. So these are the three options that we are going to use for writing the algorithms. So to install the Jupyter Notebook, or basically to invoke the Jupyter Notebook directly from your system, so you go to jupyter.org/install. So we have talked about the applications, right? Jupyter.org/try. If you go here, you get the data about this. If you go to jupyter.org/install, you get to know about how to install. Uh, how to start installing is basically you open your command prompt, okay, and then here pip install notebook, okay, and then once you install, so it just basically, because we have already installed, it says requirement already satisfied. And then to invoke Jupyter, you type Jupyter Notebook, okay. Once you do this, what happens is you see a web page automatically opens up. You have number of folders already ready, okay. So now this basically, if you go down, okay, and you will example, you can even open any of this. Example, let us open STM32 cube, okay. So you have the files for this, and if you still go down, there'll be something called untitled.ipyb. So you can open this and see that there is a small code written where we are basically importing a calendar and printing it. Now you can open your own new notebook, and then you can type it, and then you can save whatever you want, okay. Like example, print of hello, okay. Sorry, if you type print of hello, you can see hello got printed, yeah. So and then you can save it, which actually saves to the your own folder that you have created. So you can try it on your own, the combinations, but this is how we open the Jupyter notebook and try to do the things.